Hello, in front of me I've got XIAOMI Camera. In this video I'll show you how to rename your camera and assign rooms in Mi Home app. In the beginning, let's go to XIAOMI Home app, select your camera and go to Settings. Enter More Device Info. Go to Room and select New Room for your camera. You can also create room. Confirm and it's done. Now, to change name, go to Custom Name and type new name. For example, XIAOMI Smart Camera Garage if you got more than one camera. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.